To start off this look, I'm taking my Tag Body Art green face paint and I'm applying that all over my face. Then I'm taking this white face paint from WOOCHIE and putting that on the high points, so under my eyes and my nose, chin, and a little bit on my forehead. And then I'm blending that out with more green, and I'm just repeating, putting white and blending it out until I get the look that I'm going for. And I also put some on my jawline as well. And then I'm covering my chest with that green. Using my NYX Professional Makeup Modern Dreamer palette, I am using that greenish blue shade to contour my face. So I'm going around my cheekbones and my forehead, around my mouth as well. And then I'm going to be putting that in the crease of my eye, and also going to be contouring my nose with that. Next, I'm taking my NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the lightest shade, and I am doing a cut crease. Dipping into my ANASTASIA Aurora highlight palette, I'm using that greenish shade to highlight the inner corner of my cut crease. And then I'm taking a darker green shimmery shade from the James Charles palette and putting that in the center of my cut crease. And then taking this darker blue shimmery shade, I am placing that on the outer corner and underneath my eye. Then I'm jumping back to that same green highlighter from Anastasia to highlight my face. For my eyebrows, I'm using my MEHRON Makeup Paradise Paint palette. I'm using the dark green. For my chest, I'm using a lighter green than I previously used to create that little neck piece that he has, and then I'm outlining it with black and adding some green shadowing underneath the black. For my lips, I'm using the same green that I use for my eyebrows from MEHRON Makeup. And then I'm taking my NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner and putting some wing liner. And I also add some false lashes. And of course, my contacts. And that's it for this look, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos coming out. If you decide to recreate any of my looks, please tag me on Instagram so I could see it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!